Hello, my dear YouTube family. My name is Parth, and you are watching Must Watch Tips. So, first of all, let me take a sum over here. I'll press equal to sum, and let me take sum of these four numbers, and I'll press enter. Well done, it is 3077. Now, if I drag this, you know what happens. It will take sum of this. If I drag it downwards, then it will take sum of this. But let me drag this. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, no way. It is 3077 all over. Let me see what is there. Yes, it is taking correct reference of the formulas. But how can it be the same across everywhere? I guess it's by mistake. Let me take sum of saving plus wage. I know it doesn't make sense, but let us take this sum. It is 1051. Now let us drag this formula. Oh my god. If it's So you see there are no values over here, but then also it is giving us wrong values. You can see if I press F2 to see the formula, it is 1740 plus 84. It is giving me 1051. 1714 itself is a bigger number. So this formula is not working correctly in my Excel. This is one of the key problems what I see amongst the Excel users, and they get really confused why it is happening. So let me tell you the solution. It is the formula error, but we can fix this in just 2 to 3 clicks. So this is the main motive of this video, that when you are using Excel, your formulas are not working correctly. They are giving wrong answers, just like we saw here. So to overcome this problem, let me show you a solution. So here we have different tabs. So we will go to formulas, and here you have many groups. And in many groups, you can see a calculation groups where we have calculation options. If we see in the drop down, we have 3 options, and my friend, you can see that it is manual selected over here. You can go and click on automatic, and here you see the magic. The formulas are now working correctly. If I see the reference, it is taking sum of this D, E, F, G of third row. Again the same way, and now it is the correct result. Now let me show you another tip, as this tip is not in the scope of this video, but let me give you a bonus tip. For example, if you want to see the formulas, all the formulas which are there in your Excel sheet, the file which you have opened right now. I want to see the formula at once. I am pressing F2 over here. I am seeing the formula. Again, I am going in the above cell and pressing F2 to see the formula. But I want to see the formula all in once.
So what I will do is I'll just press Control and tilde. Tilde is this key in a keyboard. So you just have to press Control tilde. And here you can see that it is showing all the formulas which is there in your Excel workbook. So here it is income minus expenses, the total savings. This is the formula, and here we have applied this formula like this: sum of D, E, F, and G. And here we have applied F plus G, so F2 plus G2 is here. So all the formulas which you have there in your this current worksheet will be shown like this. So this is the shortcut trick to see the formula like this. If I press Control tilde again, it will give me the exact value. So I hope you have learned 2 amazing Excel tips which will be helpful in your day-to-day life when you use Microsoft Excel. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and like our video. Do visit our channel for more amazing videos like this. And now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.